Today we are going to complete exercises of poem 8, A Good Play. Comprehension A. Fill in the blanks. First, the children made a ship with back bedroom chairs. Second, they filled it with soft pillows so that it felt like they were on waves of the sea. Third, Tom could not play because he fell out and hurt his knee. B. Mark the sentences as true or false. First, the children built a ship using wood, a saw, and nails. It is true. Second, it was a lot of fun them to go sailing in the ship for many days. It is also true. Then third, they carried an apple and a slice of cake for their play journey. It is true. Then fourth, the poet became lonely when his friends stopped coming to play. False. C. Answer these questions briefly. How many children are there in the poem? Answer. There are 2 children in the poem. Second question. What were they playing? Answer. They were sailing on a ship. Third, what food did they carry for their journey? They carried an apple and a slice of cake for their journey. Fourth question. Why was the poet alone in the end? The poet's friend Tom fell out and hurt his knee. So there was no one left with the poet in the end. Fifth question. Do you think the ship the children built could sail? Answer. No. The ship the children built could not sail because it was not a real ship. This ship was built upon the stairs and was made of back bedroom chairs and filled with soft pillows. D. Read the lines from the poem and answer the question. So, first lines. We sailed along for days and days and had the very best of plates. Question A. Who is referred to as we? Answer. We refers to the poet and his friend Tom. B. Where were they sailing? Answer. They were sailing upon the stairs. C. Why is the poet talking about the sailing as though it is over? Answer. It is possible that the poet and his friend Tom have finished playing the sailing game. This is the reason the poet talks about the sailing as though it was over. D. What does we sail along for the days and days mean? Answer. The 2 children sailed only till tea time in the evening. However, they enjoyed so much that it felt like they sailed along for many days.